Okay guys, we dropped a power drill or something, I don't remember, on our sink when we were remodeling, and we got this chip in the sink. I'm reviewing original Cramer Bath and Kitchen Repair Kit. Let's see how it does. I've never done anything like this. It comes with hardener and filler, a little mixing paddle, some sandpaper of various grits, and spray repair plumbing white. We thought this matched our sink. It says to mix 30 parts filler to 1 part hardener. That says approximately walnut size to pea size. So first I'm going to do that. Okay, I think I've got it mixed together. This is a little bitty spot here. Someone else said more is better. I think that's a lot for this little spot, so I'm going to put it on there. This is dry and clean, by the way. And we sand this down afterwards. I'm gonna smooth it a little bit. I'm not sure the best way to smooth this, guys. All right, I found a thin piece of cardboard. I like that. I think that did well. I gotta be honest, I'm not super happy with how this part looks. I'm not good at this. This is not my thing, but I think I got it about as good as I can do. We do sand it next, so we'll see. I mean, from a distance, it doesn't look too bad, but when I really zoom in close, you can see if I try to get it smooth, I end up getting a dent in it. So it is what it is. We're gonna see what happens. Drying time's temperature dependent, but I'm gonna leave it 3 hours. All right, I let this dry. I have 220 grit and 800 grit sandpaper. It looks like I should have put more filler in it. I feel like I can see the dent. Again, though, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm going to use the 800 grit now. So it's not that smooth looking, guys. I'm gonna give this one more try. I'm eyeballing this. It said walnut to pea, so we don't need much of this. It's probably more hardener than I need. I'm gonna try to stir this up with a toothpick because I threw my spackle away. Okay, I went too thin last time. Try to sand it down in 3 hours. Sanded it down. It feels much smoother. It looks much better this time. I did 2 tries. Taped this off. Now I have my repair spray. Let's look for the directions. Shake can vigorously for 3 minutes. Spray sample area first. Apply spray thinly, distance of 6 to 8 inches. Even coverage is easier to use if you use a mask cut from the paper. Hold the mask approximately 1/2 to 1 inch above the damaged area and start spraying onto the mask before directing the spray with light movements over the cutout area. Wait 1 minute and repeat this process until the damaged area has been completely covered. The final color will be reached after dust protected drying. Dry to the touch after 2 hours. All right, let's see what happens. I'm going to cut a hole for that. I'm gonna let that dry. That looks, we might do another coat, but that looks pretty good. Wow, this turned out so good, guys. No drywall or spackling experience. Look at how well we repaired that chip. Look at that. Looks great. Amazing. If you would like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission and it would really help us out.